This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Grammarly and signing in. Choose free or premium based on features you need. Next, set your language and writing goals so suggestions match your intent. Once done, install the browser extension and desktop app, then enable integrations with email and docs. Make sure Grammarly is active in the document you'll edit so real-time suggestions appear. This immediate alignment saves you from irrelevant corrections and focuses the tool on your chosen tone. You now process suggestions systematically. Start with correctness issues like grammar and punctuation, then move to clarity and engagement recommendations. As you review, accept clear fixes, ignore style choices that conflict with your voice, or add recurring terms to your personal dictionary. Make sure to open the explanation cards for unfamiliar suggestions so you learn the rule behind each change. Once done, use the filter to show only high-impact issues when time is limited, which keeps edits efficient without losing quality. You finish by running a final review and reading the text aloud to catch rhythm and tone that automated checks miss. Then export or sync your edited document and confirm integrations save the changes in your work apps. If Grammarly stops offering suggestions, troubleshoot, check browser extension permissions, sign-in status, and app updates, clear cache or restart the document. If problems persist, toggle the extension off and on, and reauthorize to restore real-time feedback quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.